Crack egg into pan. Use the spatula to firmly move some white away from the yolk to ensure even cooking. Then cover for 30 seconds to hold in heat. 30 seconds later, you have a fried egg. Foolproof. Beat the eggs. Pour egg mix into pan. Use chopsticks to gently push the cooked edges toward the center. Keep doing that until the eggs are cooked to your preference. Plate and serve your slow-cooked scrambled eggs. Crack egg into pan and spread egg white gently. Cover for 30 seconds, flip, and let it cook for 20 seconds. Perfect over medium. Ready to serve. Time for the best part. Check out that yolk. Sauté onions, ham, mushrooms, tomatoes, and bell peppers until softened and fragrant. Pour in beaten eggs and add cheese for extra flavor. Fold the omelet gently and cook until set. Serve warm and melty. Preheat oil in a pan to about 150 degrees Celsius. Carefully crack egg into oil. Splash some hot oil on top to cook the whites evenly. Perfect deep-fried eggs. Heat water in a pan until just simmering, not boiling. Add a splash of vinegar to help the egg hold together. Crack the egg in and poach for 4 minutes. Place the egg in a cold water bath to stop cooking. Drain well. Serve on a layer of hash browns and ham. Top generously with hollandaise sauce. Hash browns, ham, poached egg, hollandaise, perfection. Sauté spring onions until fragrant. Crack eggs straight into the pan. Stir gently, mixing with the onions. Soft, fluffy, flavorful. Sauté onions until soft and caramelized. After 5 minutes, add freshly pressed garlic. Stir in tomatoes and cook until the skin starts to peel off. Pour egg mix into pan. Gently stir. Time-consuming, but worth it.